Hi guys, so this is most likely the last video I'm going to do for math just because you should just be working on your projects for the rest of the trimester to finish those up and get them to me. The vocabulary quiz 3 and just the vocabulary notes you've been taking since the beginning of the trimester. So once you get those things into me, that's all you really have to work on and then you're done. So really all I have to say is thanks for working with me. I know this was a really hard, complicated trimester, and honestly we don't know what's going to go on for next year, but I hope we're back in the classroom in some way. But if we're not, maybe I'll see you in this format again for another class. Who knows? Regardless, I am very proud of all of you for all the hard work you did, and for all the seniors that are in this class, congratulations, you're done. You're going to graduate, and it's an exciting time, and I'm so sorry that you don't get a real ceremony, but the virtual ceremony is going to be great, and I really hope you enjoy it. I do. And I was part of the auditions for the speakers, so the 3 speakers, I pretty much know what they're going to be saying, and they're great speeches, so I'm really excited for you guys to see them. And then of course I posted this nice little YouTube video that is a classic song for the end of the school year and going into summer. So overall, I just hope you guys have a great summer and finish this trimester strong. Have a great rest of your trimester. Email me. We can set up a meeting if you need extra help. Alright, bye.